Imagine this, you're hosting a summer barbecue, the sun is blazing, and your guests are craving ice-cold drinks. But your fridge's ice maker is struggling to keep up, and you're stuck running to the store for bags of ice. Sound familiar? This Hicozy Countertop Ice Maker with handle is here to save the day, delivering ice in just 6 minutes and transforming how you chill your drinks. This portable, self-cleaning ice machine is a game-changer for anyone who loves convenience, efficiency, and refreshing beverages. Whether you're a busy professional, a camping enthusiast, or a home bar aficionado, this sleek machine promises to keep your drinks icy and your gatherings stress-free. Let's dive into why the Hicozy Countertop Ice Maker is the must-have appliance. Solving common ice-making woes. No one wants to deal with the hassle of a slow, inefficient ice maker or the inconvenience of constantly buying ice. The Hicozy Countertop Ice Maker tackles these problems head-on. No more waiting. Forget waiting hours for your freezer to produce ice. This machine churns out 9 bullet ice cubes in 6 to 8 minutes, ensuring you're never left high and dry during a party or heat wave. No messy cleanup. Manual cleaning is a chore, but Hicozy's fully automatic self-cleaning feature eliminates the hassle, keeping your ice maker pristine with a single button press. No space constraints. Bulky appliances can clutter your kitchen, but this compact ice maker with a pull-out basket fits seamlessly under cabinets or in tight spaces, perfect for apartments, RVs, or offices. No noise disturbance. Unlike loud appliances that disrupt your peace, this machine's low-noise operation ensures you can enjoy icy drinks without a distracting hum. With the Hicozy Countertop Ice Maker, you're not just buying an appliance. You're investing in convenience, speed, and quality. Let's explore what makes this portable ice maker stand out. Key features that make Hicozy shine. The Hicozy Countertop Ice Maker is packed with innovative features designed to make your life easier and your drinks colder. Here's a closer look at what sets it apart. Lightning-fast ice production. Produces 26 pounds of ice per day, with the first batch ready in just 6 to 8 minutes. Whether you need ice for cocktails, sodas, or smoothies, Hicozy delivers instantly 0.2 ice sizes for versatility. Choose between small ice cubes for quick chilling drinks or large ice cubes for slow-melting, long-lasting refreshment. Perfect for everything from iced coffee to whiskey on the rocks. Fully automatic self-cleaning. Simply press and hold the on-off button for 5 seconds, and the machine cleans itself, ensuring hygienic ice every time. No scrubbing or complicated maintenance required. Portable handle design. Weighing just 6.12 kilograms and featuring a convenient handle, this ice maker is easy to move from your kitchen to your RV, office, or campsite. Space-saving compact design. Measuring 22 by 29 by 29.5 centimeters. The industry-first pull-out basket eliminates the need for extra lid space, making it ideal for small apartments or crowded countertops. User-friendly operation. The intuitive control panel with clear indicator lights makes it easy for anyone to use, even first-timers. Power on-off, select ice size, or activate cleaning with a single press. Low noise performance. Operates quietly, so you can enjoy your gatherings or work-from-home setup without disruptive noise. Stylish and practical. Available in sleek white or black, this ice maker doubles as a chic addition to your kitchen or home bar, complete with a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. These features combine to create an ice maker that's not only functional but also a joy to use. Whether you're hosting a party or enjoying a quiet night in. Benefits that elevate your ice game. Why choose the Hicozy Countertop Ice Maker over other portable ice makers? Here are the top 3 benefits that make it a standout. Unmatched convenience. With ice ready in 6 minutes and a self-cleaning function, you save time and effort, letting you focus on enjoying your drinks rather than managing your appliance. Versatile for any lifestyle. Whether you're camping, working in a small office, or hosting a party, the portable design and dual ice sizes cater to every occasion, from quick chills to long-lasting cooling. Hygienic and hassle-free. The automatic cleaning feature ensures your ice is always fresh and safe, while the compact, low-noise design fits seamlessly into any space without disrupting your environment. These benefits make the Hicozy Countertop Ice Maker a must-have for anyone who values efficiency, quality, and style in their appliances. Who's the perfect fit for this ice maker? The Hicozy Countertop Ice Maker is designed for a wide range of users, making it a versatile addition to any setting. Home entertainers. If you love hosting barbecues, dinner parties, or game nights, this ice maker ensures you never run out of ice, keeping your guests' drinks chilled and refreshing. Apartment dwellers. Its compact design is perfect for small kitchens or studios where space is at a premium, fitting neatly under cabinets or on crowded countertops. Campers and RV enthusiasts. The portable handle and lightweight build make it easy to take on camping trips or RV adventures, ensuring ice-cold drinks wherever you go. Office workers. Keep your office break room stocked with ice for coffee, water, or after-work drinks, all without the noise of traditional appliances. Home bar aficionados. Elevate your mixology game with bullet ice cubes that are soft, wet, and perfect for cocktails, mocktails, or even chewable ice for a refreshing crunch. And no matter your lifestyle, the Hicozy Countertop Ice Maker adapts to your needs, delivering ice on demand with minimal effort. Real-world performance. Does it deliver? I tested the Hicozy Countertop Ice Maker in a variety of scenarios, from a cozy movie night to a lively backyard gathering, and it consistently impressed. Setup was a breeze. Fill the 1.4-liter water tank, select your ice size, and press start. Within 6 minutes, I had a batch of perfectly formed bullet ice cubes ready to chill my lemonade. The small ice cubes were ideal for quick cooling my drinks, while the large cubes kept my whiskey chilled without diluting it too quickly. The self-cleaning function was a standout. After a weekend of heavy use, I simply added water, held the button for 5 seconds, and let the machine do the rest. No scrubbing, no fuss, just clean, fresh ice for the next round. The low-noise operation was another pleasant surprise. Even during quiet evenings, the machine hummed softly in the background, never stealing focus from the conversation. The pull-out basket is a genius design choice. Unlike other ice makers that require extra clearance for a lid, this one slides out smoothly, catching any drips in the upgraded water tray to keep my counter dry. At 28 pounds, it's sturdy yet portable, and the handle made it easy to move from my kitchen to my patio for an impromptu happy hour. One minor note. The ice maker doesn't have a freezer compartment, so ice will slowly melt back into the reservoir if not used. Hicozy recommends storing and used ice in the fridge, which worked perfectly for me. This isn't a flaw but rather a design trait common to countertop ice makers, and the continuous ice-making cycle ensures you're never short on supply. Why Hicozy stands out in a crowded market, compared to competitors like the Frigidaire or GE Profile Opal. The Hicozy Countertop Ice Maker offers a compelling blend of speed, portability, and ease of use. While some models take 15 minutes to produce ice, Hicozy's 6-minute cycle is among the fastest. Its 26 pounds per day output matches or exceeds many rivals, and the self-cleaning feature is a rare convenience that saves time. The pull-out basket and compact design give it an edge for space-conscious buyers, while the low-noise operation makes it ideal for quiet environments. Customer reviews echo my experience, praising the machine's quick ice production, ease of use, and sleek design. One user noted it's perfect for small apartments, while another called it a lifesaver for camping trips. With a 1-year warranty and responsive customer support, Hicozy ensures you're covered for any issues, making this a low-risk investment. Is the Hicozy Countertop Ice Maker worth it? If you're tired of running out of ice, wrestling with bulky appliances, or spending hours on cleanup, the Hicozy Countertop Ice Maker with handle is a no-brainer. Its 6-minute ice production, self-cleaning feature, and portable, compact design make it a standout for homes, offices, and adventures. Whether you're chilling drinks for a party or keeping your coffee cold on a camping trip, this machine delivers convenience, quality, and style. At a competitive price point, backed by a 1-year warranty, it's an investment that pays off in every refreshing sip. Don't let warm drinks ruin your next gathering. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make the Hicozy Countertop Ice Maker yours today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.